Welcome to Drive with Care, a channel dedicated to showing hazard perception and concentration, road awareness, all of that kind of thing. Now, there was an interesting book written in 1955 by an author, Lawrence Nathan, and he provided 3 points of what he calls driving philosophy. Point number one, there is an invisible car behind you and the invisible driver is watching for your signals. Point number two, the car in front of you has a poster on its rear, and on the poster are the words, "I'm going to stop, can you?" And point number three, everybody on the road is mentally deficient, so it's all up to you. So what does that mean? Everybody's deficient, it's all up to you. Basically, it combines the other 2 points. You've got to be mentally aware of all your surroundings. You've got to be thinking, what are the other drivers going to do? And I love point one. You've got to indicate. You've got to let the other drivers know of your intentions. Lots of space for the cyclist there. So in this video, I'm going to go from Densall down through Hawkinge into Folkestone. There are 4 roundabouts that I need to navigate. So I want to drive these roundabouts looking at the hazards and potential issues that arise. I thought I would do me in the corner of the video with the GoPro recording the live footage, and that way, rather than doing voiceovers, that kind of thing, you get my reaction as well. What does that fool think he's doing? Okay, so we're into Densall. It's a 40-mile-an-hour zone. You can see that the illuminated speed guide, I don't know what that is, a speed sign. So we'll stick at 40. We've got, okay, from here I'm going to, if I give you a yellow circle or a yellow rectangle, it means it's a potential hazard, and I need to keep my concentration. I need to think, how will I act? If I see if I display a red triangle or a red circle, what that means is there is a hazard ahead and I need to take some action. A course of action is required. That's what I can see here. Lots of driveways, and potentially a vehicle could be pulling out. What I will add is, drop me a comment if you see a hazard that I don't. You know, I'm going to highlight these things, but it'd be interesting to see if you're paying attention. Not to me on the screen, but the road. Okay, roundabout ahead. I want to turn right. It's a staggered roundabout or a Y junction, so I need to indicate right. So on with the indicators. Check to my right, nothing coming. Car behind me, nothing coming on the roundabout from the left. So round we go. Vehicle behind me is not indicating at all. If I had a rear camera, you would see it. Naughty, naughty. 40-mile-an-hour zone. Watching out for any vehicles creeping onto my side of the road, because the lane is quite blind. Okay, approaching the second roundabout. Looking to my right, is anything coming on that I would have to give way for? Yes, there is. All clear, indicate off the roundabout and carry on. Pedestrian crossing. She didn't press the button, so that's a hazard. But she walked across quick enough, so I didn't have to react. Roundabout number 3, again looking to my right. Is there anything on the roundabout or coming along on the right hand side that I would have to give way for? Anything coming on the left? There's a car coming round, he's indicating. indicate off though. 2 more cars. All clear for me. Taxi they indicated. It didn't indicate off. You have to indicate off the roundabout, because I need to know what your intentions are. I can assume you're going off, but you know. National speed limit applies. Single carriage lane, so 60 miles an hour. Although there's no need to do 60. Cars behind me are quite a distance, so nice distance between me and them and me and the car in front. So brake lights are going on, that's a hazard. I need to take some action. The van is indicating off, the taxi is not indicating. I'm guessing he's taking the third exit. Still not indicating. Naughty, naughty. Taxi drivers. I was one once. Didn't indicate off. Okay, that's it. The four roundabouts. If you're doing a roundabout, you need to indicate your intentions. You need to tell the other drivers and pedestrians where you're going. If you're on the roundabout, then you will be indicating off at some point. If you're approaching the roundabout and going straight across, you don't need to indicate not going on, but you do need to indicate coming off. Okay, thanks for watching. That was a first video on my new channel. Stick around, there's going to be lots more. All about hazard perception. Bye for now.